but tree though not his eyes he's shaken, oh, and walk so proud among the crowd, for queen she might be taken, oh. From top to toe, wherever you go, the loveliest girl of any, oh. Oh, show your mind I'd find unkind, sweet Kate o' Ballyshannon, oh. One summer day the banks were gay, the urn and sunshine glancing, a big cascade its music played and set the sun dancing there. Along the green my joy was seen, sweet Kate o' Ballyshannon, oh, proud and down although the moving billy lass is many, oh, but the brown a fair one girl most fair, the flower o' Ballyshannon, oh. Along the green my joy was seen, some goddess bright I felt her there. The fishes too swam close to view her image in the water there. From top to toe, wherever you go, the loveliest girl of any, oh. Oh, upon your mind I find unkind, sweet Kate o' Ballyshannon, oh. My dear, give ear, the river's near, and if you think I'm shamming now, to end my grief I'll seek relief among the trout and salmon now. For shrimps and sharks to make their marks, and other watery vermin there, unless a mermaid saves my life, my wife and me her merman there. From top to toe, wherever you go, the loveliest girl of any, oh. Although your mind I find unkind, sweet Kate o' Ballyshannon, oh. 'Tis all in vain that I complain, no use to coax or chide her there, as far away from me is Spain, although I stand beside her there. Oh, cruel Kate, since that's my fate, I look for love no more in you. The seagull screeches soon would reach your heart as me imploring you. Though fair you are and rare you are, the loveliest flower of any, oh, too proud and high, goodbye say I to Kate o' Ballyshannon, oh. 'Tis all in vain that I complain, no use to coax or chide her there, as far away from me as Spain, although I stand beside her there. Oh, cruel Kate, since that's my fate, I look for love no more in you. The seagull screeches soon would reach your heart as me imploring you. Though fair you are and rare you are, the loveliest flower of any, oh, too proud and high, goodbye say I to Kate o' Ballyshannon, oh.